Yes, go ahead.
We have a question on the board, but it's not directly related to today's topic. It's about the topic of tzedakah, though.
Okay, so yeah, go ahead. Any topic. Let's go. Go ahead.
Okay, so Session thank you for the Shiur question. Since there's definition for being poor, meaning a person who can live for 1 year off his savings without working, is there a definition for being rich?
So everybody in not in that category. Like it's not rich. We don't care about rich. Like there's nothing that there is no halacha that we would need to apply for a rich person, I guess. I mean, in a sense, maybe I'm just thinking out loud. Maybe in the cases when we are allowed to somebody to spend more than 20% of his net income, yes. So like we will evaluate. So if a person has a lot of money, and if he would give like even 50% of the income, and it's not going to affect his lifestyle, yeah. So that's the thing. But otherwise, there is no like halachas specifically for that we must do for the rich people. You understand? So that's so we care more only about poor. That's like more practical for us.